did have a session with one of the users, and we started talking about different things that were uh, could be made a little bit easier, and we made several of those changes as well. So one thing that I do want to go over is in our setup, whenever you go into your menu options, just make sure that you guys know this. In the manage tags area, um, if tags were imported from another system of some sort, there could have been duplicates of some of those tags in there. And just by coming into the manage tags area right here, it will go through and it'll make sure that you don't have any duplicates. Now, a duplicate does not mean that if I've got an uppercase version and a lowercase version, they're the same. They're not. If you make if you have an uppercase birthday tag and a lowercase birthday tag, and you want them to both be uppercase, go to the lowercase one, change it from uppercase or from lowercase to uppercase or however you want it, and then it will address the change. Just some cleanup of some of the tag things. Tags can go rampant in some systems, and especially our previous company that we were working with just got totally out of hand. But what you can do now is there's some cleanup. Additionally, what I did do is if you want to get a quick list of all your tags, we now have a little button here that says copy tags to clipboard. You can click on that, paste that to a doc file or something, and you can see all your tags. Maybe you want to kind of go through them and do some cleanup. So you just simply click on this, go to go to your drive, say new document, and then you can just paste that in there, and it will paste all the tags in there for you. You can also do the same thing for your party members. So whenever you're adding party members, you want to make sure you got all your different party members. You can click on party members, the copy there, and then be able to come in here and then paste those in there. Now, some of these you may never use, you don't ever use. You could go in there, mark them off, and then come in and then just delete the ones that you don't want to use. Of course, you can do it from here, but some people prefer it on paper and go through it manually. You can certainly do that.